I'm known to be the quietest reactor. Ah! Everyone shut up!
Today, we're facing off on who can stay the quietest while eating some of the loudest snacks out there.
Okay. We're eating snacks.
You'll have 1 minute to open, assemble, and swallow.
Assemble?
Whoever is the loudest will have to listen to the worst ASMR we could find on loop. I'm Brian, and personally, I can make as much noise as I want.
I love that for you.
First up is a drink. Any guesses?
Something with ice in it.
Oh, you think?
I mean, it's icy. You guys are drinking Slurpees. You'll have to open your straw, stir the drink, and take a sip.
Stir.
Stir and
I
slurp.
hate this game.
How will we know who's the quietest? We have our trusty sound meter. 3, 2, 1, quiet. And time. You both got really close on the meter, but I'm going to give you both the point. You guys still made it.
Okay.
What?
All right.
Really?
All right.
Okay.
Honestly, I wanted to take her point away because she had her straw upside down. But if you can bite into this next neon red snack without alerting the sound meter, you deserve a medal, or milk, or a point.
Oh.
You're
no.
joking. This is spicy.
Takis Fuego, the snack that crunches loud enough to wake your neighbors.
Are you praying to it? Like, what's happening right now?
You must open the bag and eat a Taki without alerting the sound meter. Spread them out a little bit. I'm making it a
Thank you.
little
That's
bit
really
easier
nice.
for
I
you.
was like, oh, we're cooked.
And begin. That's not a rule. He can do what he wants. It's left.
Bitch.
Brandel, you can go ahead and stop right there. You're getting this point because that was so loud.
Really?
It was crazy. Yes. Just have to open it enough to get one. They're both in. And that's time.
Oh, can we just also talk about how much of a lie it is? It says easy open on here. I went for the easy open side. I was like, this is a lie.
The round's not over because now you're dipping
You're joking.
the Taki in
You're
hot
joking.
sauce.
No.
You will have to drop the gunslinger onto the plate and then dip your Takis, eat them, and for 1 minute, not make a sound.
Cruelty.
That's awful.
Cruelty. I'll do it.
How much gunslinger should we have on our Taki?
Yes.
Okay. You're joking. You're joking.
Full roll. Very well done. Okay. In 3, 2, 1, go. Oh. Oh, the Izzy faces.
Not fair. You cheated.
And we'll call time. How do you feel?
It's warm in my mouth.
My
It's nice
throat
and
is-
cozy.
My throat.
Brandel, you get that point.
I looked over. He's like,
She upstaged me, and I was like, whatever, lick, and then my whole tongue went, ha. And I was like,
Yes. Hey, who likes taco night?
As long as they're not spicy.
You'll have to contain your joy and your noise level to make your own tacos. You will have 1 minute to put on your gloves, make your taco, and take a bite with all of the ingredients.
soft shell tacos, right?
Why would I do that?
This is gonna be a catastrophe.
It will be 3, 2, 1, go. Who said you had to put it all the way on? You can't steal both. That's wild work. Also, if you go over time, you will each lose a point.
You
For
didn't get
the-
the cheese, Travis. I was.
Oh, jeez!
I was
forgot the
wanting.
cheese?
I wanted him to open the cheese bag first, so I wouldn't have to open it.
You both went over a minute, so you both lose 1 point. Not only did you not complete the taco, which means they lose that point, you also tripped the sound meter, which means that you don't get a point for this round. You didn't lose any points.
I didn't gain any.
You didn't. You both got nothing. Nothing at all. We're not done making our own food. Next is bulldog. You've got bowls, bulldog, and boiling water. You know what to do and what not to do.
Would a not to do be like pouring boiling water on each other? I'm assuming.
What not to do is not make a sound. You have 3 minutes to make this happen. In 3, 2, 1, go. Remember, you're on the clock. Honestly, under the table, it's actually not registering that much. Oh! 1 minute has passed. Better pick up that pace. How are you gonna break it? Martine, I'm gonna say he did you dirty. And time. Congratulations, you both made your way through that round. But the round's not over. Now comes the hard part. You will have 60 seconds to take a bite of your ramen as well as slurp the broth. 3, 2, 1, go. You gotta slurp the soup too. You had too much. They're just out here having the time of their lives. Compared to the hot sauce, higher or lower? Higher? Okay. And that is time. Yes, so both of you will get the point for this round. Paulina, obviously you lost the point for the original opening. I was a little loud, but I'm gonna let it slide because both of you were having such a good time that I'm like, you know what? Fine. That was a powerful tactic because he used so much of the water.
Dr. Evil.
I really wish this.
Oh,
bowl was
he
just a
intentionally
little
did that
bit
to try and take
deeper.
up my time.
Hey, what are the 3 sounds Rice Krispies make? That is actually technically correct. It is snap, crackle, and pop. Unfortunately for you, all 3 are now your enemies. You must pour a bowl, pour the milk, and take a bite.
Nope.
That's
No.
crazy.
No. Shame on me if you fool me twice.
Glass bowl.
And you have 60 seconds. Starting in 3, 2, 1, go. Smart. Ten. 9. Time has passed.
I hate it here! I hate it!
You know what?
And the noisiest activity of all time!
Doc will definitely get that point. Martine, you even helped him.
I know, I'm so nice.
Travis, that
Come on.
pour.
That last
that
one.
pour
that
was
last one
rough.
it.
Here's what we're gonna do. Hey, take both of you. Take a bite. Oh. Brandel, because it is that you made more noise, we're going to give Izzy that point.
Why did I have to pour so much?
You
Why?
didn't.
Why did I do that?
Next up is the candy that betrays you from the inside. Any guesses?
Yeah, Pop Rocks.
That's the one.
Gosh darn it!
You have 60 seconds to open up this bag of Pop Rocks, pour the entire bag into your mouth, and ingest them without making a sound.
I hate you.
You're joking.
I know I'm saying the word hate a lot. I do love everyone here. I just genuinely do love everybody here. I hate this.
3, 2, 1, go. How's it going over there, Izzy? Doing all right? Huh? 3, 2. That's time. Okay, so we're gonna give points to both of you. Well done. I almost took that point from you, Brandel,
From the
because you
beginning.
broke.
That was funny.
This is awful. My ear.
Oh, I can definitely say, Paulina, I'm sorry, but you lost that round. That means both of you get that point. How do you feel?
It's still
I
popping
can
in
still
the
hear it. What's your favorite fast food chicken sandwich?
Popeyes.
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 I've never had Popeyes before.
Oh,
I'm
delightful.
excited.
The bad
I've
news
never-
is, though, it's the ghost pepper chicken sandwich.
Is that the spicy
Yes,
one?
it's spicy.
3, 2, 1, go. Double bite. Martine's not stopping. She likes it. And that's time.
Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. I just had a huge amount of the sauce. Oh no.
Sorry, I had to take the pickles off.
By the way, unfortunately, because of the fact that you took the time to take off the pickles, she finished before you did, so
Oh,
Izzy
we were
gets
on
the
time?
point.
Yeah.
I thought we were just doing it before the 60 seconds.
Oh yeah, no.
You never disclose whoever did it first.
Of course, I make the rules.
It tastes like a normal chicken sandwich.
Amazing.
Yeah?
Is it supposed to be spicy?
I mean, you might have missed some of the sauce, but
Did I
Or
miss
maybe
the
because I
sauce?
had so much spicy food, I can't
yeah,
even feel it.
you're probably also just like blown out at this point. This next candy tastes like sugar-flavored air, but shatters like glass. We're doing freeze-dried candy.
Ooh.
Each of you will have to grab a handful, put them all in your mouth, and chew. 3, 2, 1, go. That's time, Travis.
What?
I am so sorry. Paulina, you get that point. Travis, obviously you get that point.
That's
They
but
they planted the bag on my side, you know? It's cool.
once they were in your mouth, you both did really well. But you both played that game pretty dirty, so no points for either of you.
Crazy!
Yeah.
And my eyes went like
But
this.
like how the noise is like,
You
No.
didn't make any noise whatsoever.
because I'm a pro. I
Oh.
was dying. I was dying of laughter. I look at him and he goes,
Yeah, because I was like, I saw you put them in your mouth, but I was like, bite down.
I
Down.
was taking my moment. I was flipping them so they were all.
Before the last round, it's time for a palate cleanser. This next one is simple, but don't let your guard down.
Good.
We've got ourselves some classic
Ice cream.
toast and butter.
Great.
You have to spread the butter on the toast and take a bite without tripping the meter. 3, 2, 1, go. He's going full piece spread. Remember, 20 seconds have elapsed. Ooh. Ooh. Time and also ew, dude.
What did you do?
The strategy was there,
is the
and I loved
strategy?
it, but also so gross. Brandel, you definitely get that point for
What?
this round. You both get that point.
Okay.
Wow.
I freaking ate that.
You literally ate.
You literally ate.
Any guesses on what you're going to be crunching on next?
Popcorn?
Potato chip.
Ooh, potato chips is like that. What is it? Pringles.
In our last round, the rules have changed.
What?
For every Pringle you can fit into your mouth at once, you will get a point.
Stop it. He's gonna put everything in his mouth.
But if you trip the meter,
Yes.
you lose them all.
It's really nice.
Yeah, thanks.
No! How did you do that?
No! No! She called the sour cream! She chose this!
That'll do. Now, pick your poison. How many Pringles are we choosing?
I'll go for 8.
There we go.
I've got 5 right now.
Then it's smart that I do 1. Because if I'm gonna do 6 and lose, might as well make 1 and get a point.
So she has 9 right now,
Okay.
and you have 3,
Oh,
which means
Too late, too late. You already said the number.
nope.
okay.
In 3, 2, 1, go. You have 60 seconds to put them in. Why that way? And that's time. Not only did you drop Pringles.
You drop Pringles?
Yes, you did. You ate them sideways.
I actually how I eat them.
Are you serious?
No, I'm not even joking.
And you
Eat
know
a
what? I
Pringle
love
like
that
this?
for you. I have a winner.
Don't do this to me, Brian. Don't do this to me.
I know which one of you made the most noise. And that was Doc. So Martine, you win today's game. Congratulations, Brandel. You are the winner of this challenge.
I did it! What? I did it, chat.
Travis,
Yes!
Why?
I am so sorry. Now it's time for you to face your punishment. Headphones on.
How long is this clip?
Oh,
As long as I want it to go.
I'm not supposed to be punished, and I feel like I'm being punished.
Thanks for watching this episode.
What loud foods should we feature next time? Let us know in the comments.
Don't forget to like and subscribe.
Bye.
Bye.